Hello all. Today we're going to learn how to activate the app privacy report on an iPhone. But first, what exactly is the app privacy report? It's a feature provided by iPhone that allows user to monitor how apps are using your phone's function and which domains they are accessing, including their use of hardware. So this gives you more control over your privacy as iPhone allows you to turn these app privacy settings on or off as needed. So let's dive in and learn how to set it up today. Okay, so first step is to find your settings. Scroll down and find privacy and security option. Go all the way down to app privacy report. Now tap on it. This is the main option where you need to turn it on. You can read all the text and then turn the option on. Nothing is showing here since we haven't used any apps yet. Let's try using one. Again, let's try YouTube. So that's it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.